Well, we're gonna try this, friends. Here's the new apartment. This is a dual stream that we're gonna try and vlog. And I have been in briefly, but I wanted to come in and show you guys firsthand what it's gonna look like. We have a water heater there, and a nice little display shelf. I'm not sure what we're gonna use that for, but we have a nice big, this is the 3-bedroom. We're gonna kind of come out here and take a look for you. This is the 3-bedroom. We have a full, you can see out in the distance there, a full balcony. This is a master bedroom that the girls are gonna share, that we believe the girls will share. And then if you come to the back of our property, this is interesting. There is nothing there. There is nothing there but woods, and I'll show you that in a moment. But this is really a nice spot. If you look at the size of the closet here too, you could put an entire bedroom simply in the closet. Like maybe that'll be Elizabeth's room. We can make this all Elizabeth's room, and Audrey can have the rest. What do you think of that, E? Probably not so much, but you got a light there. That's a light. What are you gonna do about a light? I don't know, Brad. It's kind of cool. It's a nice spot. Keep going here. We got the bathroom. Nothing too spectacular here. That's the fan. Oh, the fan is the switch on the left. I expect that one to be the light switch, not that one. So that's what a vlog is going to be like with the Disney with Sean show, I guess. I'll keep it higher up. And then, the ice maker's working already. Just turn that sucker on. We've got, right here, the balcony. As we do, got our balcony out here. This is our backyard. This is much different than 27 and having a McDonald's out there to look at. We got the blue sky and sunshine. We're on the end, on the corner one, which is really nice, so we don't have neighbors on this side, onto the left side of us, or that side. We have a little closet here as well. Lots and lots of storage, friends. I don't know if you're noticing a trend here at the Camden World Gateway, but it's got lots and lots of storage. This is a little hard to close. I guess you'd rather that be harder to close than easy open, right? Of course, you got your gratuitous necessary ceiling fans. Lots of counter space for cooking. Maybe we'll do a vlog from here cooking, because we've got lots of great daylight and natural light. And then oven, laundry, plenty of storage. Again, more prep space or a coffee spot. Be a great spot for coffee. And then, man, so much cabinetry. So much cabinetry. Come down this hallway. You got, oh wait, did I show you the laundry space? Yeah, I did show you the laundry space, right? So we got the laundry space. Ow! Well, that's not gonna be the last time we do that. Oh my gosh, that's right there on that hip too. That's all right, we'll move along. Footloose and fancy free. All right, clean filter, that's good. Another maybe linen closet, yeah, linen closet. And then another large bathroom. Let's see how where's the light switches? Weird. The light switches are on the wall behind the door. The left one is definitely going to be for the light, and the right one is for the fan. But what's really cool here, right, is you close this door. Oh, that was loud. And then you come in here, and you got another bedroom. So it's almost like a Jack and a Jill type spot. I guess I could have been doing this the entire time too. That's the half view. So we'll go back through with the half view. But we got another closet over here that could be a potential bedroom, depending on the size of your children. I'm just kidding. You don't want to put your kids in the closet. You do not want to put them to nap in the closet. But nice bathroom. Got a soaking tub. Pretty decent sized soaking tub. That'll be good for recovery. More storage. Another light. Let's do that door. Let's come back in here. Turn these off because we are paying for the electric already. And then that fan is flying, man. And then once again, check out this outside. This outside is just lights out, guys. This is why we wanted to move here. Do you think this is gonna be peaceful and calm for the stream? I do. Man. Oh, hold on, I almost missed this closet. Another closet. This one I think is even larger than the other one. Even larger than the other one. So I hope you enjoy it. This is the stream. No, this isn't a stream. This is our vlog of our new apartment, friends. Disney with Sean show. Your host, Sean Wow. We appreciate you coming on this little tour with us. It is nice. I am very excited. I don't know where we're gonna eat. Can somebody help me figure out how we're gonna sit and eat? Maybe we just won't use that space to walk up and we can put a chair and things here. Maybe like oblong here, or even against that wall, tight up against that wall. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We always do. We can do hard things, friend. Turn those lights off. Turn the light and the fan off here. We can probably turn the heat back down since we don't need it to be 66 in here when we're not living here. We got a little thermostat there, 65. I won't have to worry too much about that in the future though, as it warms up here nicely in Central Florida. So welcome everybody to the new apartment. Woo! Hopefully that wasn't too annoying. Thank you. Go well, bring the calm, be the magic. Appreciate everybody. See you again real soon.